For prospective students at IUT. Welcome to the 2026 IUT entrance examination. We prepared this video to guide you through the written examination procedure. Preparation guide. You must bring your identification card or passport with yourself. Things you must keep in mind. In UK and Italian program, you will have the exam on only one subject, mathematics, 30 questions for 1 hour. There will be no extra time for marking answers on the answer sheet, and you should mark the answers within the given time. There is only one correct answer per each question. No penalty point is applied to an incorrect answer. There will be no break time during the exam. You are not allowed to leave the exam hall during the exam. Things you must obey before, during, and after the exam. You must follow every instruction given by the exam. Headquarter and proctors. Only use the pen given by INHA University, black pen for the answer sheet, red pen for scratching. Do not engage in any form of cheating, misbehavior, or suspicious behavior. Do not write any notes on your hand or personal belongings, including luggage tags. Any violation will be considered cheating. If caught cheating, you will be disqualified from all exams and will be restricted from applying again in the future. Any portable electronic devices, that is smartphone/watch, calculator, tab, are not allowed to bring into the exam hall. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Never call the proctor loudly for any reason. You cannot use the toilet during the exam. When the proctor says, "Time is up," stop and raise your both hands on your head. You can see the actual UK and Italian answers sheet on this slide, and I'll explain how you should fill in the information and answers. You can find your application number on the label. As mentioned in the previous slide, write your application number in the top right corner of the answer sheet. You should mark the answers from 1 to 30 only. Please do not mark rest of the answer sheet. More about answer sheet. The answer sheet must not be folded, torn, or damaged in any way. Use only the pen provided by INHA University. The use of other pens is not permitted. Each question has only one correct answer. Mark your answer by placing a clear check mark inside the square. The mark must be clearly identifiable and stay within the borders of the square. Do not fill or shade the square. Do not make any stray marks on the answer sheet. There is no penalty for incorrect answers. Dear students, from now on I will explain how to use your answer sheet. As you can see, you have an examination paper and the 5th page is the answer sheet. You are also given 2 pens, black and red. Use the black pen to fill in all personal information and mark your answers. Use the red pen for rough work on the other side of the examination paper. Please do not write anything other than answers on the answer sheet. Fill in your personal details, passport number, surname, and given name exactly as written in your passport using a black pen. Write your application number at the top of each page. To mark your answers, place a check mark inside the square. You must transfer all answers from the exam paper to the answer sheet within the given exam time. No extra time will be provided for transferring answers after the exam. You may now start the test. Good luck.